Next, last natin ay sa ating tenga, sa ears. Sa ears, ang inire-release natin is yung ating ear pressure. Yan, once na ma-release natin yung ear pressure ay magkakaroon tayo ng maayos na hearing senses at makaka-recover yung ating temple muscles to prevent migraines and headache. Okay? So, sa lahat ng merong masakit ang ulo dyan at nabibingi, para sa inyo to. Ready? Good one. Oh. Wow. Kamusta yan? Ayos lang? Kailang kalas na pingot? Or hindi ka napipingot? Yun. Very good naman. Okay.
First time.
First time. This one. Ready? Oh, a little. Okay. This is the sensitive part of your ears. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hinga.